When it comes to weight loss, most of us are looking for that little boost that can help accelerate our results. While diet and exercise are key, incorporating certain natural ingredients into your routine can make a huge difference. One such powerhouse combination is ginger and turmeric. These two spices not only have incredible health benefits, but can also support your weight loss journey. Today, we'll explore how ginger turmeric shots can help you shed those extra pounds. Before we started, let us know where you're tuning in from. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't miss number 6, it's a game changer. Let's get started. 1. Boosts metabolism. One of the most powerful benefits of ginger and turmeric for weight loss is their ability to boost metabolism. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound that helps increase thermogenesis, which is the process by which your body burns fat to produce heat. This means your body can burn more calories even at rest. Turmeric, on the other hand, contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin has been shown to increase the metabolic rate by influencing fat-burning enzymes in the body. Together, these two spices can help speed up your metabolism and aid in more efficient fat burning, which is a critical factor in weight loss. 2. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is a major contributor to weight gain, especially in the belly area. When your body is inflamed, it can lead to fluid retention and increased fat storage. Ginger and turmeric are both natural anti-inflammatories. Turmeric, with its curcumin content, is especially effective in reducing systemic inflammation. Ginger, too, contains compounds that help lower markers of inflammation in the body. By including ginger-turmeric shots in your routine, you're not only supporting weight loss through fat burning, but also helping to reduce the inflammation that could be hindering your progress. 3. Improves digestion. Healthy digestion is crucial for weight loss, and both ginger and turmeric play key roles in supporting a healthy digestive system. Ginger is well known for its ability to soothe the digestive tract, reduce bloating, and relieve indigestion. It also helps stimulate bile production, which aids in the digestion of fats. Turmeric helps improve gut health by balancing the gut microbiome and promoting the growth of healthy gut bacteria. A healthy gut is essential for effective digestion, nutrient absorption, and weight management. By consuming ginger-turmeric shots, you're helping your digestive system function at its best, making it easier to break down food and absorb nutrients efficiently, all while supporting weight loss. 4. Controls appetite. One of the biggest challenges when trying to lose weight is managing hunger. The combination of ginger and turmeric can help control your appetite and prevent overeating. Ginger has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which plays a big role in controlling hunger. When blood sugar levels are stable, you're less likely to experience cravings or energy crashes that lead to overeating. Insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance is a major factor in weight gain, especially around the belly. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, ginger-turmeric shots can help curb cravings and reduce your desire to snack between meals. 5. Detoxifies the body. Detoxifying your body is essential for weight loss, as toxins can build up and slow down your metabolism. Both ginger and turmeric are excellent natural detoxifiers. Ginger helps stimulate circulation and encourages the removal of toxins through sweat and urine. It also supports the liver in detoxifying harmful substances. Turmeric, thanks to its powerful antioxidant properties, helps neutralize free radicals and flush out toxins from the body. Regular consumption of ginger-turmeric shots can give your body the detox it needs, which can lead to more efficient fat burning and weight loss. 6. Supports healthy inflammation and joint health. While this may not directly relate to weight loss, supporting healthy inflammation and joint health can make a big difference in your fitness journey. When your joints feel stiff or inflamed, it can make exercise difficult, which can slow down your weight loss progress. Both ginger and turmeric are well known for their ability to reduce joint inflammation. By reducing pain and stiffness, you'll be able to exercise more comfortably, helping you stay active and continue making progress toward your weight loss goals. Ginger-turmeric shots are a natural, effective, and tasty way to support your weight loss goals. By boosting metabolism, reducing inflammation, improving digestion, controlling appetite, and detoxifying the body, these shots provide a powerful punch of health benefits. When combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, ginger turmeric shots can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments if you've tried ginger turmeric shots or if you plan to, and we'll see you in the next video.